Covestro and ParaMatters are proud to announce the joint development of anisotropic topology optimization. CogniCAD 5.0 empowers users to leverage materials like fiber-reinforced composites in 3 simple steps of preparation, design, and execution. To begin, users select from preloaded or user-defined material properties that get assigned to the model. This is followed by the assignment of design and non-design spaces. Then boundary conditions are defined and loads are applied to the model to create load cases used in the optimization. The software can support optimization of many load cases. Next, design constraints like symmetry planes and manufacturing methods are selected. Following this, G-code settings and machine parameters are defined by the user. Once the model is submitted, users can observe the model while the simulation is running in real time. Once the simulation is complete, validate the results by reviewing deformations, stresses, and reaction forces, all immediately available within the user interface. Users can also further investigate the geometry and see for themselves the optimized machine toolpath. To learn more and begin leveraging this technology yourself, join our webinar series on September 28th and October 5th, hosted by CTC and Airbus Company.